Hey there, welcome back to Best Tech. We have created a list of 5 latest blender mixers, including electrical and portable blenders that will revolutionize your kitchen experience. From powerful motors to sleek designs, these blenders are sure to impress. To get in-depth details and price updates regarding these blenders, check out the product links in the description box. So sit back and let's jump into the video. Number 5. Rauji 6 Mini Electric Portable Blender. Do you want a convenient way to enjoy homemade juices and smoothies quickly? Then this portable, wireless, and rechargeable blender with 530 ml capacity is ideal for you. It is an innovative and convenient product that has become a game changer for health-conscious individuals. You can easily fit and carry this mini blender in your backpack, thanks to its lightweight and portable design. Its versatility is one of the key attractions of this particular blender. It can be used to blend fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds into delicious smoothies, shakes, and juices within 40 seconds. Mixing baby foods, protein shakes, or other supplements is also relatively easy and quick with this blender. The blender is equipped with powerful blades made of 304 stainless steel. It can crush ice and break down tough ingredients in seconds. Therefore, you can enjoy a consistent blend while preparing your delicious drink. Another key benefit of the mini portable blender is its rechargeable 4000 mAh battery. The battery life will last many hours, which eliminates the need of carrying a charger everywhere you go. Simply charge the blender using the USB cable, and you're good to go. With a full charge battery, you can at least make 25 cups of juice. Therefore, it's ideal for you if you're looking for a blender to carry for travel or work. Moreover, the mini portable blender is also incredibly easy to clean. You can separate the parts of the blender, which makes it easy to wash. The mini portable blender is manufactured with high-quality food-grade materials. You can easily use this blender for a couple of years without facing damages or needing any replacement. Well, of course, the mini portable blender has its limitations, like any product. This blender doesn't offer a large jug, so you can't blend a large quantity. Number 4. Re-Up GC7 Electric Mini Portable Juicer and Blender. Trying to save a few bucks by avoiding expensive nutritious drinks from local cafes? You can now make your nutritious drinks at home quickly and efficiently with this mini portable blender. This blender comes with a 340 ml capacity with a rechargeable USB. It is not limited only to making shakes or smoothies. You can even mince garlic, grate cheese, or prepare frozen cocktails with this multifunction blender. Moreover, you can charge this blender anywhere you want. It's because this blender is chargeable with a power bank, laptop, in the car, and of course, with a USB charger. Its compact size and versatile features makes it a perfect partner in your kitchen. It's compact. You can easily store it anywhere or even carry it with you wherever you go. This electric mixer also includes a cup brush, straw, and a Chinese and English manual in the packaging. It boasts a powerful motor that can blend and extract even the toughest fruits and vegetables, including leafy greens, berries, and citrus. You can ensure a perfect paste of the food with its sharp stainless steel blades. One of the biggest benefits of using the electric juicer mini portable blender is its ability to retain the nutrients and flavors of your ingredients, unlike traditional juicers that extract only the juice and leave the pulp and fiber behind. It indicates that you can make your drink more nutritious with all the vitamins and antioxidants of the food. Another advantage of using this blender is its ease of use and cleaning. Simply add your ingredients to the blender cup, attach the lid and blades, and press the button to start blending. After you're done blending your food, separate the cup and wash it with water. You can also wash the lid and cup in the dishwasher for your convenience. However, the battery of this blender is 3000 mAh, which can be a drawback for this portable blender. Number 3. Alexcopo, a 9 portable blender. This is the 3R portable mini blender on our list. We like its 6 stainless steel blades, 18,000 RPM rotating speed, 240 W copper casting motor, ability of blending ice cubes, fruits, and vegetables with ease. It offers you 2 types of blending modes, such as blend mode and pulse mode. Blend mode is designed for turning fruits and ice cubes into healthy shakes or nutritious smoothies in just 30 seconds. In contrast, motors can rotate at the highest speed in pulse mode, which is perfect for jams, frozen fruits, and nuts. Just double-click and wait for the lights to flash yellow to activate the pulse mode. However, pulse mode will only work when you hold on the button. Once you release the button, it will stop blending. Besides, this electric portable blender comes with a bottom cap, silicone straw, straw brush, leather keychain handle, charging cable, and manual blender. It means you can drink directly from the mixer using it as a cup and don't need to buy any additional tools for cleaning. Moreover, it comes with 600 ml capacity for blending. The entire blend only weighs 1.4 lbs, and the portable bottle is 0.6 lbs. You can wash and clean the bottle in the dishwasher. To charge its 4,000 mAh battery, you need a Type-P charge port. It features 12 LED lights with which you can see the blending mode and battery status. Generally, green lights indicate high battery life, and red light indicates low battery. It is also equipped with safety lights to avoid spillage and grinds during blending. Number 2. Biolomix G5200 Commercial Grade Blender. It's the 2N blender on our list, but it's not a mini portable blender. With its high power output and durable construction, this commercial-grade heavy-duty blender is capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from crushing ice to making smoothies, soups, and sauces. Its powerful 3HE motor is a standout feature for this blender. With this motor, blending any toughest ingredients is pretty easy, whether it's frozen fruits or nuts. Moreover, this blender also comes with a large jug capacity. You can easily blend up to 2 liters of liquid in this blender. This makes it ideal for making large batches of smoothies, fresh juice, soups, ice creams, or dry grinding. The jug is also made from high-quality BPA-free materials, which means that it is safe to use and easy to clean. Other considerable features are speed control, which allows you to adjust the blade speed. Using the speed control feature, you can create a wider range of recipes, from silky smooth paste to chunky salsas. It also includes some other praiseworthy features, such as hardened Japan stainless steel 6-wave action blades. This blade can crush stiff foods efficiently and turn them into a paste. Plus, operating this blender is super easy. You will also receive a manual with the blender for detailed instructions. This blender also features an innovative reset switch for overload at the bottom of the motor base. Moreover, it makes low-noise operation, unlike traditional heavy-duty blenders. Cleaning it after using it is also effortless. You can wash the jug using your hands or dishwasher. The motor can't be washed with water. Overall, this heavy-duty commercial-grade blender mixer is an excellent investment for anyone who needs a powerful and versatile blender. If you're thinking of purchasing a new blender, you can consider picking this gem. Number 1. Biolomix T5200 Timer Blender Mixer. Another commercial-grade blender from the same brand, but it has a slightly unique feature compared to the previous one. It is equipped with a powerful 3HP motor and large capacity jug to handle multiple tasks, from making smoothies and juices to crushing ice and processing food. Not only that, it can also crush vegetables, nuts, and frozen fruits with ease. The motor is also designed to be durable and long-lasting, so you can rely on it for years to come. Moreover, the 2L jar is made of high-quality BP-free materials. The jar also comes with a lid that locks securely in place, preventing any spills or leaks while blending. Another handy feature of this blender is its timer function. You can set the time for blending and continue your other works. And this particular feature makes it ideal for smoothie bars and busy kitchens. The timer function also ensures that your ingredients are blended to perfection every time without over-blending or under-blending. The Biolomix blender also features speed control. With this feature, you can adjust the blade speed to boost the perfection of your food. Another noteworthy feature of this Biolomix blender is its safety features. Unless you attach the lid of the jug securely, the blender won't turn on. Thus, there is no tension of accidental spills or injuries. The blender also has a built-in overload protection system, which automatically shuts off the motor if it becomes overloaded, preventing any damage to the motor or the blender. In conclusion, this blender's high-quality construction, powerful motor, large capacity jar, and timer function make it ideal for both commercial and domestic use. All these enticing features will surely be worth your money. That's it for today. If you have any more query related to the products we have reviewed, feel free to communicate through comment sections. You can subscribe this channel to get more such informative videos. Thank you for watching.